Good morning, everyone. So, for today, we're going to practice again about using mouse to draw and color the shape using the software. So, you see the post today, you will see we try to draw something like this, which is an apple using your mouse and also using the software Sketch.io. So the link for the software also has been posted to you. Just click the link, and once you open the software through the online and then you click English, so whatever you have on your white space, we create a new file and choose this one 1024 times 768. So you just click this one and choose blank and create. So now we have white space to draw our apple for today's lesson. So to draw, remember we need to use a pencil. So to open the pencil tool, you see this particular icon we call calligraphy. You click this and then click this arrow and change to the pencil, and for this moment you don't need fill, we just need outline, and you can make outline to 6 ps. You can type, or you can type the numbers, or you can scroll this one. So try to make it like 6 px. So it's quite challenging to draw in order to control your mouse and hand together. So we can try many times. So to draw an apple, we can draw something like this, and one big step. Okay. So if you don't like this particular looks of your apple, you can undo and try again many times until you satisfy with the shape of your apple. Okay, so I don't like this one. I can keep undo many times you want until you feel that the shape you draw is enough to be an apple. Okay, for example, I just use this one. So apple is shaped like this. It's okay if it not look perfect. We have like something like this, and we have a leaf. Okay, here. So you don't like the leaf, you can undo again, and then you can draw again. It doesn't matter to right here or right here, it doesn't matter. Just wherever you want the leaf is. I just want to be here. So if once done, what we need to do next, we want to color. So I want to make like a little bit like this, little bit like this. Okay. I want to color my apple. So to color, remember we need to use crayon. So click crayon, and then for this time the outline, try to make it bigger, and then choose the color red. And for this one we can use many tones of red. So just click this to put it inside, and we can start drawing, coloring our apple, following the shape of the apple. Doesn't matter if not perfect enough, it's okay. Okay, we done the okay. Okay, you can color your apple until all the black outline has been covered. Okay, it's okay if not pretty. Okay, just draw it. Okay, so now I want to color this stem to something like brown. Try brown. So remember, to coloring and using this particular software, we need um, to use some crayon and then follow the outline, and make sure your outline can be adjustable. For example, here I just want very small line. This one. Okay, done. So for the leaf, I want the outline to be darker green, and then make it smaller like this one, 6px, and just follow the line. It's okay. It's okay if not. It's not pretty. It's fine because it's just for the practice. If you don't like, still you can use this one. So I just want to make the leaf look like a little bit leaf. Look at this one and this one. Okay. And then what I want to do next is I want to fill all these spaces to color. So first I want to color the red, and then I just choose back the red. Choose back the red and make it bigger the crayon. And you can use different tone of red, it doesn't matter. And make it quite bigger, so faster for you to color big space. So like this is quite thick. I make like 450, and then I can color it. So it's okay, just undo it, or click undo this one. I can color again. So I want to make it bigger. So to make it faster for me to color. Okay, color all the. Okay, color all the shapes. It's okay if you're not perfect, it's alright. You just use your mouse and then start coloring your apple. So you can use different kind of red to color your apple. So try to control your mouse, and then when I come to the edge, I just make it a little smaller, and then I can color it. Okay, fine. I want to color all this white one, also this one. Just color a little bit. If you don't like, you can undo many times you want, it's fine. Okay. So I just enlarge the field, and then I can color again until all my apple go white. All my apple go red. Yes, so we try. Control your mouse to cover all the white. Control your mouse properly. Okay, control your mouse properly, just color it. So if you want to make it thicker, you can use other red. Also can make it bigger, and you can add more color on it. So tone is up to you. Then change to many tones of red, and then try it. Okay, so I want to tap this one. Okay, just color it. Okay, So it's okay. If you're not perfect, it's fine. It's alright. So I just want to add another bit just to okay, what to make it more rich. As you can, yeah, okay. So in this practice, what actually if you manage to color all the white space to the all the white space of the apple, it means you manage to control your mouse. So for this one, for the green, I just want to use quiet light green and then just color it for the leaf, all the white space. Okay, all the white space. So I want to look the root for the leaf that use a darker green and then make it smaller and then you can draw in all this thing. Okay, so it's fine if you think it's not pretty enough, but it's okay just for make sure you can control your mouse in order to draw and color. And today we have learned and actually you managed to draw an object looks like an apple. If you're done, just take the picture of your completed work and submit to the comment below. If you have any difficulty to complete the work, please let me know. Thank you.